right? Am I doing, is that right? Yeah. All right, so we're in the shop today. It's a rain day. If you listen carefully, you can hear the rain on the roof. Hitter patter. Let's get at her. Okay, we're doing a little maintenance on the C8500 today. Mike's gonna have a lot of it in another video, but I'm gonna do a quick video on these tires. We're gonna pop all of them off. We're gonna rotate the ones that need rotated. We're gonna fix a couple of air leaks. We have, this tire gave us some fits the other day. We took off down to the tire shop. It's patched and repaired. So we're gonna get it put on. That's where we're going for here. And check it out, look at this. Safety first, I even have the safety bar up. You guys impressed? I'm impressed. All right, let's go. So I got the tires off on the other side because obviously those tires are right there. So this is one we put on temporary. It's still a good tire. It just doesn't match those tread patterns. We kind of keep some tires around just for spares in case, like we did with this one, ran over something. Dropped it off at the tire shop, like I said earlier. It's fixed, so we got to put that tire on there. Well, I got that tire off the rim and that tire and on the rim. Anyway, did I mention I don't know what I'm doing? So this should be entertaining. Mike gives me super helpful tips, like you see how that tire's on the rim? And I'm like, yeah, I see that. He's like, it needs to come off of the rim and then put the fixed one back on. I'm like, oh, okay. So with super helpful tips like that, this should be, a breeze, so. What's that?
None of it blows my mind. It's like 2.1 million total views.
That's pretty impressive. He's still bragging about his YouTube. So that went as well as expected. Hope you guys got a good laugh out of some of it. Hey, big shout out to Marcus Schneider, Buck's Wood Shop, Junkyard's Garage. These are just a few of the new subscribers I see scrolling through the comments. Appreciate you guys commenting. Appreciate you guys being involved with the channel. Glad you guys are here. And as always, we will catch you on the next one.